all, I'm Varsha here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have been getting a lot of inquiries from nurses since a new rule came out in UAE that fresh nursing graduates can do data flow from now on. What everyone should know is whether we can go to UAE without experience. If so, how is the process? Whether you'll get eligibility if you do data flow without experience. So I thought I'll make a detailed video, then your doubts will be cleared, right? Anyway, today we are going to discuss a topic which is the most discussed topic among nurses. This news is like a dream come true for almost all nurses who want to migrate to UAE. Having a job in the dream country right after graduation isn't what everyone wants. But even after 4 or 5 months after this new announcement, there was no possibility for freshers to apply on the site. Therefore, it became a disappointment for many. But very recently, nurses can do data flow without experience. The eligibility is also cleared. One thing should be noted, although this new rule has come in UAE as a whole, only DHA can be applied for freshers now. HAAD and MOH are not possible. This means only nurses who want to go to Dubai have this opportunity. You can appear in data flow eligibility and exam without any experience. If you want to work in other Emirates in UAE, 2 years of experience is still mandatory for nurses. Let's see how to do data flow for freshers. Most people have a misconception when they hear DHA data flow for freshers. Some people think it means that even though you have a gap and have not worked for 7 or 8 years after completion of your nursing studies, we can clear your data flow without showing the experience certificate. But not so. Within 2 years after your nursing diploma or nursing degree, you can get eligibility by data flow under the title of fresh graduates. Be it GNM, BSc or post-BSc, it is the same. If not in 2 years, your eligibility will be cleared. Those who have a gap of more than 2 years cannot do this process. That is why it is called fresh nursing graduates. Documents needed: degree or diploma certificate, nursing registration certificate, good standing certificate from your nursing council, only a mark sheet, course completion certificate, transcript, passport copy, mail ID, mobile number and address. No experience required. Scanned copies of all the documents should be submitted for data flow. You can take the DHA parametric exam before, after or in parallel with data flow. Once the data flow report comes and the DHA exam is cleared, then you can apply for eligibility. All you have to do is submit your good standing at the time of applying for eligibility if you haven't submitted the same at the time of data flow. BLS certificate must be submitted for eligibility. You can complete all your process including data flow, exam and eligibility in 1.5 months and go to your dream country. Along with this, UAE Embassy attestation is also mandatory. Video link of UAE Embassy attestation is given in the description box. If in doubt, watch the video. So, this is freshers data flow for DHA. I hope you understand in detail who can do it and what is required. You can contact our customer care number to know more about its fee structure and other details. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. If you're a fresh nursing graduate, then it is not too late to start the procedures to migrate to your dream country as soon as possible. If you like this video, do share, like and subscribe. Until we see you again with another informative video, this is Varsha saying bye. Toodles.